guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my October favorites. I feel like this year has just disappeared and it just passed by so quickly, and I can't believe it. We are in Christmas season. November 1st was officially Christmas season everywhere, all over my timelines. It was just wild. Anyways, I have my October favorites. I am excited to share some of these products because I have new concealer, new mascaras that I've been using and loving, and I want to share with you guys. I will say my little setup is a little off because I don't have my tripod for my big DSLR camera. I'm using a smaller one right now, so I hope the audio and the video, it looks good, and the lighting. I did add neon lights again to my background, so once I have my tripod for my other camera, you guys will be able to get a better view. And then if you guys remember, I told you guys I was gonna put up this Hello Gorgeous sign that I got from Temu, the neon lights. It's a little off. I still need to fix it and hide the cables and all that, but for the most part it is, oh my gosh, it is up. Let's see if this will, okay. I hope I'm not lopsided because I feel like the tripod looks all right, but it might be a little, if I see the monitor, I feel like I'm lopsided a little. It's okay. Let's jump right in. I am going to start off with this concealer because I actually have been wanting to talk about it. It's the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer. I have the shade C3. It is a soft matte concealer, and it says it's it says it's waterproof, which I hadn't paid attention to that. It is long wear, breathable, oil free. I really like it. Now the trick with this, I feel like I have to let it sit under my eyes and kind of like marinate for a bit, and then go ahead and blend it out, which I really like how it looks after that. So I've been using it a lot all month of October. This is a concealer that I was using. I still love my Huda Beauty, but the way this one's so lightweight under my eyes but still has really good coverage, and it's a little matte. It's not like crazy matte. It doesn't dry my under eyes, which is why I really like it. So this is what I've been using. Love it. It is affordable. I feel like at first when I tried it, I was like, I wasn't too impressed. And then one day that I was using it, I think I had to do like my contour or blend it out, and I let it sit, and I loved it ever since. So that was a trick to that one. Let it sit, and it looks so good. I have a few primers I want to talk about, and we're almost done. Well, this one's all out. Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. I love this. I want to get another one because this one actually, I feel like, makes my makeup look so good. Today I tried two new primers. Well, I tried two primers. And the way my makeup is makeuping today, I am loving it. These contacts should make me just feel myself. I love it, feeling the whole look. But this primer, it just fills in my pores exactly how I like it. It gives me that blurred look, and all my foundations always look good over it. So I'm all out. Maybe if I like open it from here, like cut it open, I'll get more product, but that is definitely has become one of my favorite pore filling primers. Now this Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops Pore Refining and Blurring Serum. I like it. Yes, it is a good serum. So much as a primer, I feel like it doesn't give me the pore filling that I want. I feel like the e.l.f. one does the same thing without being a serum. It's a primer, but this, it says it is a primer and a serum. So it's almost out. I will definitely use it all up. It is a good product, but if I feel like this gives me a little more pore filling and it feels the same, I'm not saying it's a dupe. I just prefer this one because it is more affordable, even though this is a really good product. So I use this after my skincare, right before I do my makeup. So it kind of acts as like skincare slash primer, or it's like a pre-primer because then I still go in with my primers. I will use this and still go in with this to get extra pore filling abilities, ingredients, or what, how do you say it, to just add extra filling to my pores. Pretty much. And then, I mean, this, I love this. This is also a favorite. I just wasn't going to mention it because I've talked about it before, just like I've talked about this before. But it's the one I use all month in conjunction with this. Like when I use this, I definitely will use this or this. And that's what I use in the month of October. Pretty much almost out. This is a product that I always tell you guys I have to have in my collection, in my makeup drawer, no matter what. Whenever my primers are not primering, they're not working good on my skin, I will go back to this, and this will never let me down. This always works good no matter what. And that's why I love it. That's why I love it. Continue to buy it. This is always, always in my makeup drawer, no matter what. Now, I've been obsessed with cream blush. It's no secret. I talk about it every favorites every time I get. The 3 that I have are so good. But let me tell you, I don't know why it took so long. Well, I do know, but why it took so long to try this product out. So I bought it. I thought the shade was off because I saw the sticker back here and it looks pretty dark for my skin type, my skin tone. And I was like, okay, I'm going to exchange it. I let it sit in the drawer. I just had so much going on last month. Fun stuff, but had a lot going on. That I forgot. And I missed the cutoff date to return or exchange. So I was like, okay, let me just use it. I used it and I was like, how dare I take so long to use this when it's so good? Oh my gosh. And the color is perfect. It's what I'm wearing today. The color is perfect. It looks so good. It blends out so good. They have different shades, so if you need something lighter, they definitely do have it. I kept the shade and I do like the color. So I can't believe I waited so long. Juvia's Place cream blushes. Bomb formula. Obsessed. Totally recommend it. Now the cream blushes. First one is obviously also from Juvia's Place. I've talked about this. Soft Tulip. I'm obsessed with this blush. And you have to use like the tiniest dot. I don't know if you guys watched one of my, the last video I did trying new makeup. I applied a lot. And you need, when I say tiniest amount, you need the tiniest amount. This will last you a lifetime. No joke. I want to buy another color, but I'm like, it's going to go bad before I even get to finish it. But I've been loving this so much. So that's one of the colors that I use a lot. And Rare Beauty, I went back to using my cream blush in the shade Hope. I feel like they're kind of like similar in shade. This is definitely a little mauvey pinky, and this is peachy pinky. I love them both. They are both very pigmented. I wouldn't say they're dupes necessarily, but to me they're very similar in that the pigmentation is intense and you have to use very little. But they both last really long, and I feel like that's what I love, that the color stays as bright as when you apply it as when you're going to take your makeup off. And that's what I love. Now the next one that I really like is the Soft Pop Plumping Veil. Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil. A mouthful. From Makeup by Mario in the shade Just Peachy. And mine looks all just disgusting. But it is the shade Just Peachy, and it looks so pretty. It's like the perfect peach shade for me. Now, I would say this is a very glowy blush. It doesn't feel like a serum to me. I think one of you guys asked in the comments in one of the videos that I talked about this. It doesn't feel like a serum. It's just a very glowy blush, but it has pigment. And to me, it looks more of like a glow from within look, and I love it. I always set all my makeup, like my entire face, with powder, so I don't know if it's going to look like a serum if you don't set it. I couldn't I couldn't help you there, but definitely if you set it, it's not going to move. It doesn't budge. It doesn't fade, on me at least, and I love it. Now, I have been obsessed with the One Size Beauty powder, and I can't even explain. I remember when I tried it the first time, I told you guys, and I think I bought this like a year ago. I told you guys I don't like it. It just doesn't look good. That's what I'm wearing today. And my skin is skinny. It looks amazing. It's smooth. I started using it just to film videos because I was like, I don't want to use my Givenchy, girl. It's expensive. Let's save it for those going out moments. And then I started using this and I was like, you know what? It looks good. Let me use it here and there to go out. And I love it. It lasts so long and it keeps my skin matte and so smooth. Do you guys see how smooth my skin looks? I'm like, I'm shook. So yeah, the powder, translucent, one size. I kind of want to try the pink one, but I already have one from Givenchy, so I will just continue to use this. And you get so much product in this that I love it. The proof is in the pudding in my forehead, actually. Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream from COSRX. This line, it was so deep. It was such a fine line, kind of like this over here. Even though this one's better already, I cannot believe how good this is on my lines, on my fine lines. Like, I cannot talk about this enough, and how well it moisturizes the skin. We are coming in that time where the weather's changing. It's more cold, even though today was hot. Like, I don't understand. And I was starting to get dry. Started using this again because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I forget to do my skincare. And if I don't do my makeup, like there's certain days I just don't do my makeup at all. I forget to do my skincare, honestly. But this, oh, it's because I have brows now too. So, you know, I think I'm, you know, ya me creo, because I have eyebrows. But yeah, this, I can't speak enough about it. I still haven't started incorporating this. I still have it in the box. I found it at Marshall's just as I did this, because I'm just obsessed with how this is working on my fine lines in my forehead. I feel like I got Botox in my forehead from using this. And I'm like, what? Sometimes I do forget, but the nights that I do it, I have been concentrating it like an extra amount. I will like put a goop on here and then on this one and the ones around my lips, and I'm even doing my neck now and my chest because I was like, girl, it's gonna work everywhere. Obsessed. Definitely recommend it. What else? 2 mascaras. I have been loving these mascaras, and I was only using Essence mascaras. I had been using them for like the past 2 years, I think. And then I just got over the like crumbly, the flakiness of the mascaras when you wear them. I hate that. And those give it to the next level. And although I love the length they give me and everything, the volume, it wasn't worth all the little black crumbly parts under my eyes. And these are so good. The Too Faced Better Than Sex, I think I just haven't used this in ages, since it came out. I don't even know how long ago it came out. But I got like a little sample bag from Ulta. I did an order. I think I showed it to you guys in a video. And I got these 2 samples, and I have been obsessed with them. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I combined both of them. I love how they make my lashes super voluminous and then long, because I have barely any lashes. So I love what these do to my lashes, and there's no crumbly, flaky mascara under my eyes. Love these. Although today I'm wearing these lashes. They look so good. And these contacts, they are just for Kira, and they are the shade Moira Green. Excited to wear the green ones today. Love them. And lastly, we have 2 palettes. I have been loving these 2 palettes in the month of October. I feel like the majority of the month I did very neutral makeup looks, and I'm okay with that because I was just obsessed with this palette, and I'm still using it. This is like my everyday go-to neutral palette. It has everything I could want. Warm, like pinky, and more like brown neutrals. Then we have these blacks and browns right here. These chocolate browns do the most amazing smoky eyes. I decided to use something else today so I can change it up. But this palette is it. It has a cream shade and then these shimmers. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wanted to do liner today with these green eyes. And then the days that I did color, I just did like an October dump on Instagram if you guys want to check out all the looks I did in October. I don't know why I don't post more often. I'm definitely trying to get better, have more content on TikTok and Instagram. I'm trying on TikTok. Babe and I did the little ghost picture, ghost trend, ghost photo shoot. So much fun, so cute. So you can check those videos out on TikTok. And then I posted, I think, on Instagram as well. So links to my social media is always in the description down below. Well, you can look me up as MakeupByMisela. Literally everywhere. But this is the palette that I did the colorful looks with. I definitely did the blue. I did the whole row. And I did like the super blue makeup look that I like to do. And this is a ColourPop Matte About Hue palette. One of my favorite ColourPop palettes. This is an entirely rainbow matte palette. And it's so gorgeous. And it also has neutrals. I was using these neutrals for a while. But now that we're more into fall and like in November, I feel like I want to do more orange and burnt yellow looks. It's just, I love those looks. So yeah, we'll be using this palette again for more looks. And that's basically it. We don't really have any disappointments this month, which is always amazing. The last two products, actually. Lip products. I need to stop using these. This is my everyday lip color. And I know, though I saw all my October dump looks, and probably 90%, 98% of all the looks are this lip combo. So my Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner in the shade Brownie Pie with my Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 40, in the number 40, the shade 40. This is just my go-to combo and I'm obsessed, and it lasts all day. I wear it out. I wear it to film for you guys, but I know I need to get together, do more like vampy lips. Definitely looking forward to those. And then my Juvia's Place lip oil in Mango. This is amazing. It hydrates your lips. It's not too oily. It's not too glossy. And it smells amazing. And now that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites. Don't forget to comment down below and like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I always forget to say all those things, and I know people are like, oh, you have to say them so people can subscribe. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support, and like always, I will see you all in my next video.